Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a chill run down your spine? What if I told you that astronomers are hiding something? Something dark and sinister. Welcome, mystery lovers, to a journey into the unknown. Imagine a place where light can't escape, where even time seems to vanish. Black holes. These cosmic monsters are more terrifying than you think. Scientists have discovered that these dark voids aren't just rare anomalies. They're everywhere. And what's worse, they could be closer than you think. In 2019, astronomers captured the first ever image of a black hole, but there's so much they didn't tell you. What really happens when you cross the event horizon? Do you get stretched into spaghetti, or is there something more? Some believe that black holes could be gateways to other dimensions. Dimensions where the rules of reality are twisted beyond comprehension. But let's go deeper. There's a theory so unsettling that many scientists don't even want to talk about it. Dark matter. This mysterious substance makes up about 27% of the universe. But we can't see it. We can't touch it. We can only feel its presence through its gravitational pull. What if I told you that dark matter could be responsible for the unexplained phenomena we see in space? Hidden civilizations, interdimensional beings. The possibilities are as endless as the universe itself. And then there's the great attractor. Imagine an invisible force so powerful it's pulling entire galaxies towards it at breakneck speeds. Scientists have no clue what it is. But what if it's something alive? So, why are astronomers keeping quiet? Some say it's to prevent mass panic. Others believe it's because they themselves don't have the answers. But one thing is clear. The universe is far more mysterious and terrifying than we've ever imagined. So next time you gaze up at the stars, remember, there are secrets out there that might be better left unknown. If you enjoyed this dive into the dark mysteries of space, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up, but beware of what might be looking back.